This is the new OHAUS MB62 Moisture Analyzer. Its strong material housing and innovative new carbon fiber heating technology, along with a powerful load cell, offers enhanced durability and performance. Its shortened analysis time saves power and keeps results accurate and consistent. I'm Efren Barraza, Service Manager here at Laboratory Instrument Specialists. We service and sell laboratory instruments such as the CEM Smart 6, Sartorius LMA200, and the OHAUS MB models. You can find all our products or parts on our website at lissci.com or contact us directly for laboratory equipment servicing. The OHAUS MB62 was introduced in late 2024 and it sits between the MB32 and MB92 in the OHAUS MB lineup. The MB62 is the exact same size as the other two, coming in at 21 by 13.8 by 35.2 centimeter and weighing 4.3 kilograms or 9.5 pounds. At the front of the unit is a 5-inch LCD with a second line display, a 1-inch larger screen than the MB32. The display is not a touchscreen. The MB62 has a flexible method and sample management with 4 drying profiles, 7 shut-off criteria and storage for up to 20 methods, and 100 results with sample ID for easy memory recall. There are 4 buttons below the display. The first button is the on-off and previous menu button. The second button is the print button. Third button, when short press, will start the drying and analyzing process. This button will also abort drying when a sample is actively being dried. The last button is to tear the scale or return to the home screen when in a menu. Rotating the knob when on the home screen will enter the method menu. When in a menu, the knob will navigate through options. During the drying process, the knob will switch the display unit between % moisture content, % drying content, and grams. Short pressing the knob when in a menu will confirm the selection, and a long press while on the home screen will enter the menu to select a function, either sample ID, result, login, method, or setting. On the back of the unit is a USB Type-B interface, an RS-232 interface, and a power supply connection, where the fuse is also housed. On the inside of the MB62 is a pan handler, pan holder, and detachable tray pan that makes the cleanup process simple. The MB62 has a scale capacity of 90 grams and a minimum starting weight of 0.5 grams. The scale readability is 0.01% or 0.001 gram, with a repeatability of 0.1% on a 3-gram sample or 0.018% on a 10-gram sample. The sample moisture range must be between 0.01% to 100% moisture or 0.01% to 1000% in regain mode. However, the recommended moisture content of a sample is between 0.5% to 100%. The dimensions for sample pans and pads used in the MB62 are 9 cm radius or 3.5 inches. You can purchase our LIS branded sample pans on our website at lissci.com. Links will be down in the description. In order to perform a weight calibration, you will need a 50-gram weight. From the main menu, long press the knob. This will take you into the setting menu. Turn the knob until you find the enter setting, then hit OK. Adjustment, weight adjustment, and follow the instructions on the second line display to add your 50-gram weight. When prompted, remove the weight and the balance will then finish the calibration after a few more seconds. Once complete, hit tear. To confirm the balance has been calibrated, place the weight back onto the scale. The weight should read exactly 50 grams. In order to perform a test, you will need the following: 9 cm aluminum dishes, 9 cm round sample pads, and a pipette. We will be using eggs to perform this sample test. To begin, open the lid, hit tear. Once the scale has been zeroed out, grab 2 sample pads and 1 aluminum dish. Place one of the 2 sample pads onto the pan holder, then place the aluminum dish on top, then the second sample pad into the dish. This will make the next step much easier. Close the cover to automatically tear. Using a pipette, apply between 2 to 3 grams of your sample product. For liquids, apply in a circular motion to ensure an even covering of the sample pad. Next, pick up your aluminum dish and the sample pad underneath, and place that sample pad on top of the aluminum dish, creating a sandwich. This will ensure as much moisture is evenly absorbed into the sample pads, and test results will stay as consistent and accurate as possible. Place the aluminum dish back onto the sample holder. Close the lid and the MB32 would automatically begin the drying process. If the drying process does not start automatically, you can press the third button from the left to begin drying. During the test, an LED light indicator will let you know where in the test the unit is. A green light means that the test is complete. An orange light indicates the test is ongoing and the heater is on. A blinking yellow light indicates the high temperature warning when above 60 degrees Celsius. And a blinking red light means an error has occurred. After a few minutes, depending on your drying parameters, the sample will be completed by indication of a high-pitched beep every few seconds, as well as a flashing number display. Now you can dispose of your sample and run another test. Thanks for watching. If you're in the market for a top quality moisture solids analyzer, balance, or scale, be sure to check out our vast selection on our website, LISSCI.com. We've got new and reconditioned options available to suit your needs. And if you've got any instruments that need servicing or regular scheduled preventive maintenance, reach out to us at info@LISSCI.com or fill out our service request form on the website. We look forward to helping you get the most out of your equipment. Have a great day.